Rajvidya Rajaguhyam Pavitram idamuttamam Pratyaksha dharmyam Sukam kartum avyayam. This knowledge is the king of education, the most secret of all secrets. It is the purest knowledge. And because it gives direct perception of the self by realization, it is the perfection of relation. It is everlasting and it is joyfully performed. Correct? What do we know? We know it's a beautiful philosophy, one level. Next level, it is Krishna's love. Bhagavad Gita is nothing but a love of Krishna. Krishna is expressing his intense love for the living entity. कितना लोग feel करते हैं भाई जब भगवद गीता पढ़ते हो? Your second level. Third level, Krishna is ordering in Bhagavad Gita. Sarvadharman parityajya mam ekam sharanam. Take my shelter. Krishna is nothing but, Bhagavad Gita nothing but Krishna's adeshas, one after another. किस level पे पहुंचे अभी? पहला level तो पहुंचो. At least understand. So Raj Guhyam, it is very, very confidential. Prabhupada explains, this much some people talk about. There was, Prabhupada talks about certain philosophers. We discussed those previously. Some more names are here. Yagnavalka, Vaishnavara. These names we have not discussed before. Okay? I could not get the philosophy of Vaishnavara. We discussed about Gautama and Kannada. Gautama and Kannada talk about atomic theory, Anu. Just like today we say everything is finally atoms. नया नहीं हो, बहुत पहले से हजारों साल से ये बात हो रही है. कोई नया चमत्कार नहीं किया आपने. सोचते हैं बहुत इंटेलिजेंट हो गए हैं वो लोग बोले. And that philosophy discussed and defeated also long time ago by Vedavyasa. Totally defeated. Because it is not true. I am not atom, I am conscious. Atom is not aware. अणु को ये मालूम नहीं है. अणु in the sense of matter. उसको ये मालूम नहीं है कि I am there. जड़ वस्तु is not aware. So how can you say I am matter? It's not a correct philosophy. We discussed about Patanjali. Patanjali only discussed it to the soul again. And it divides meditation on the soul. And little knowledge about the Paramatma. Again it's incomplete. Then next we talk about Kapila. Kapila also about the soul and God. There are two Kapilas. One Kapila is in Bhagavatam, which is the original Kapila. One Kapila is a duplicate, a fraud. He says, I am the Kapila mentioned in the Shastra. He is not. Therefore, Prabhupada wrote a book, Teachings of Lord Kapila, son of Devavati. Because he knows there is one Kapila who has been misleading. He came some 1,000 years ago, one Kapila. Good philosopher. Sankhya means to divide the matter into 24 elements. Okay? We will not do now. It can be done easily. Panchendriyas, 5 vastus for the indriyas, 5 senses for action, 5 senses for input. ऐसे कर करके पंच महाधातु पंच तो हो गया आपका 20 पंचभूता. करेक्ट? अर्थ वाटर फायर एयर. उसके बाद माइंड इंटेलिजेंस फॉल्स को 23. So 24वां they put the 3 modes of material nature. No soul God. Sometimes they talk about soul but they never talk about God. Therefore he is called atheist Kapila. His philosophy is also rejected because he doesn't agree about existence of God. So all these philosophers are talking so many things. There was one more here. One new person, Yagnavalka. Yagnavalka gave the philosophy of Neti, 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 Neti. What is the Neti, Neti philosophy? I am not this hand. क्यों? आप हाथ किसी तरह दुर्भाग्य से कट गया तो मैं तो रहूँगा ना. मैं रहूँगा या नहीं रहूँगा? ये रहूँगा. तो मैं हाथ नहीं हूँ, मैं आँख नहीं हूँ. कभी कभी होता है कुछ आँख चला गया, नाक चला गया, मैं नाक नहीं हूँ, मैं हड्डी नहीं हूँ, मैं ये नहीं हूँ, वो नहीं हूँ. बट ना बट क्या हो उससे पता नहीं चलता. ना करके क्या हो पता नहीं चलता. So it is one kind of philosophy. But when Vedavyasa came in, Vedavyasa is called Mahamuni. When Vedavyasa, all his books are summarized in essence, and that is called Vedanta Sutra. All were defeated. Therefore Vedavyasa is called Mahamuni Vedavyasa. Okay? Vedavyasa has a position of an incarnation of God. He is not ordinary. When he wrote his Vedanta Sutra, all the 6 got defeated. It's over. Therefore, Vedic culture, we don't follow others. For philosophy discussion, some people quote these people. But as far as the practice we are following in India, and as done by all the acharyas, the other 6 are not followed. True, but their philosophical contribution is accepted. We know they gave some big philosophies. So it is Raj Vidya because it defeats all the 6 top philosophers. What has been taught in Bhagavad Gita. We are not following this Gautama Kannada and all. This is all defeated. And joke is some people quote them and explaining Gita. What are you doing? Bhagavad Gita is written by Vedavyasa in part of Mahabharata. Okay? So Raj Vidya, it is king of knowledge. Even in the Vedic times when Vedavyasa wrote his Bhagavad Gita and other books, other philosophers are defeated. So what is this? Is the king of all the knowledge. Raj Guhyam. It is very, very confidential. Krishna, ye yatham mam prapadyante tam sateva bhajamyaham. Krishna will reveal himself to the degree you are surrendered. Because see, generally what happens, we think knowledge is something dead. And it does not depend on my eagerness to, my, attitude towards knowledge. मैं रट के भी समझ लूँगा, मैं ऐसे करके. You don't have to honor the knowledge to have knowledge because it's dead knowledge is like that. आपको ये पता करना है ये mic कैसे बनाना है. Now you don't have to pay obeisance to this mic 20 times to have that knowledge. No, it doesn't differ. But Bhagavad Gita knowledge is living knowledge. It is knowledge personified. It's a person. There is no difference between Krishna and knowledge of Krishna. There is no difference. Just like Bhagavad Gita is nothing but knowledge of Krishna. It is kept in the altar. There is no difference between Bhagavad Gita and Krishna. So if you approach this with a service attitude, with respect, the knowledge reveals. Otherwise, the example is given, bottle of honey, keep licking from outside. You will not understand. It is Raja Goya. समझ रहे हैं? Just like you are a person. Now, if I come and meet you with respect and affection, you will reveal yourself fully. Okay? You will reveal your heart. दिल में क्या क्या चिंताएं हैं, क्या है, सब you will reveal. Similarly, when you are approaching Krishna, Krishna के heart में चिंता नहीं है, but Krishna is full of transcendental pleasure. Krishna will reveal himself to you. कोई गुस्से से आता है, क्या करते हो, क्या है तुम्हारा ना, नहीं बताएंगे, चुप जाओ. But if somebody comes with a lot of affection, you will tell. My name is this, I stay there. In school they are doing like that. Everything you will tell. True? Depends how you. This knowledge is personified knowledge. ये ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कुछ कर लिया समझ आ जाएगा. You cannot purchase this knowledge. You cannot do anything. This knowledge has to reveal itself to you. So this is very important. Raj Vidya Raj Guhyam. Then next, Pavitram. It is the purest. Prabhupada saying in the purport, it is so pure, this knowledge. Even hearing this knowledge will purify you. Suppose I am not pure and I decide every day I will hear Bhagavad Gita for 1 hour. How many people will make this decision today? 1 hour, read Bhagavad Gita. At least half an hour. Chalo. 50% discount. At least make a decision, half an hour I read Bhagavad Gita. It's not a very big time. You can save the time from so many places. Facebook से टाइम बचाओ, न्यूज़ से टाइम बचाओ, टीवी से टाइम बचाओ, गॉसिप से टाइम बचाओ. आधा घंटा कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज़ नहीं है. कह रहे गिव टू कृष्णा दिस हाफ एन आवर. जस्ट रीड भगवद गीता फॉर हाफ एन आवर एवरी डे. Just see the change. You'll be totally purified. Whole consciousness will be purified. And for half an hour, you can forget this world for some time. Who is there? You are there. And Supreme Lord is there. That's it. And here, what he is trying to say. What Krishna is trying to say will take you back to the spiritual world. I remember one devotee was telling me this. He was reading Bhagavad Gita. Somebody called him. So he was talking. And I know it. आधा घंटा तो ऐसे निकलता है बात करने में. पढ़ने में 8 मिनट लगे तो उस पर्पट को पढ़ने में मैं देख रहा था. 8 मिनट. 7:52 to 8 o'clock. ऐसा लग रहा था 2 घंटे हो गए. और जब गप करते हैं 3 घंटे ऐसे निकलते थे 5 मिनट हो गए. ट्रू? Time flies actually. So, because we do not have taste, we do not have taste to hear what Krishna is saying. Krishna is saying for our benefit. He has nothing to get. Generally क्या होता है, लोग को समझाते हैं, उनको कुछ इसमें फ़ायदा होता है. दुकानदार के पास गए, कुछ समझा रहा है, उसको कुछ मतलब है उसमें. है ना? He is not speaking for your good. ऐसा आदमी आपको नहीं मिलेगा. But when Krishna is speaking, is actually speaking for our good. How attentively I should hear him. 10 लोग बोल रहे हैं, एक आदमी कुछ बोल रहा है बिकॉज वो मेरे को कुछ बेचना चाहता है, वो बोल रहा है बिकॉज वो मेरा सब पैसा लेना चाहता है, वो बोल रहा है बिकॉज एवरीबॉडी इज ट्राइंग टू टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ समबडी इन दिस वर्ल्ड. करेक्ट? व्हेन कृष्णा इज स्पीकिंग, ही इज स्पीकिंग फॉर योर गुड. बिकॉज भगवद गीता कृष्णा सेज सुहृदा, देयर इज नोबडी अ बेटर फ्रेंड देन मी. सुहृदा इंग्लिश में क्या है? एक ही होता है फ्रेंड. संस्कृत में बहुत वर्ड है, मित्र, सखा, सुहृदा, 10 वैरायटी के हैं. सुहृदा मीन्स हु ऑलवेज विशेज योर गुड. एंड कृष्णा सेज सुहृदा सर्वभूता नाम, फॉर ऑल द लिविंग एंटिटीज आई एम द बेस्ट फ्रेंड. एंड कृष्णा हैज स्पोकन भगवद गीता फॉर whom? For us. And great acharyas have given tippani on that. ठीक है? If we do not get time to hear Bhagavad Gita, how unfortunate we are. Raj Vidya Raj Gohyam Pavitram Idamuttam. So Bhagavad Gita, if you can give half an hour, what will happen? Just see, as an experiment, you will be totally purified. ऐसा लगेगा जैसे मन इतना शांत कैसे हो गया. Anybody you meet today, even though he may be very accomplished materially, main problem, the mind is very disturbed. It will be disturbed. Why don't you read Gita? Why Krishna? Somebody went to Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada, the mind is very agitated. Prabhupada asked him, are you reading my books regularly? No, Prabhupada. Then it will be agitated already. Why did I write these books? Okay, so when we hear these books, definitely, Pavitram, it will become, it is the most purest knowledge. There is nothing as pure as Bhagavad Gita. It's pure, transcendental knowledge. Whatever we have knowledge in this world is material. It is imperfect. It is full of defects. Because this knowledge, whatever we have, it is created out of imperfect senses, from an imperfect mind, by a person who easily gets into illusion, and he makes mistake, and he cheats. All of us have 4 defects. What are the 4 defects we have? Senses are not perfect. Understood. Then next, we make mistake. Mistake karte hai na? Sometimes we give some calculation, mistake hota hai. 32 into 68. I made a mistake. I knew the examination, I made mistake. Then, easily get into illusion. We see a rope, we take it for a snake. We easily get into illusion. Then fourth, we cheat. On top of your expert cheating. So, such kind of wonderful qualifications, we cannot acquire perfect knowledge. So, Pavitram, this is free from all defects because it is coming from Krishna. The Prabhupada says that's our only fault. We are just repeating the words of Krishna. And Prabhupada said that's the only contribution he says he has made. Therefore, he wrote boldly. Actually, it's a big declaration. Bhagavad Gita as it is. He said, if there is any contribution I have made, I have not adulterated this book. It is just what Krishna wanted to say, I have repeated it. Without giving my ideas, my opinion, my whims, just repeated the words of Krishna as understood by the great acharyas. Not that I am going to have some new opinion, new point I got. No, sir. It is Pavitram. It is the purest. Raj Vidya Raj Goyam Pavitram Idam Uttamam. Uttama means darkness. Uttama means beyond darkness. It is totally beyond any darkness, illusion of this world. Bright sunlight. Raj Vidya Raj Goyam Pavitram Uttamam. Then Prataksha. It is directly perceived. And that anybody can see. I said no. हर दिन आधा घंटा गीता पढ़ो. Just see. पर पेरेंट्स बेटा नहीं इतना सीरियसली नहीं पढ़ने का. टीवी देखो बेटा 2 घंटा देखो टीवी वो चलता है. 3 घंटा गेम खेलो बेटा. We are also responsible as parents. And when the children become spoiled, today it happened. We met somebody, said, my student is there, can you talk? Become crazy. One principal was telling him, become crazy. Totally crazy. Hoga na crazy. Because you do not allow him to chant Hare Krishna, you don't allow him to read Bhagavad Gita, then he will become crazy, then you will see the result. 5 to 15 years is the time for training the child. 16 साल में रिजल्ट देखो और उसके बाद चुप रहो. कुछ नहीं कर सकते. कुछ नहीं कर सकते. जैसा है वैसा है. Training time is you have an opportunity. Small window only of 10 years. That time we can train. After that, we know as parents, child is like that only. You have to just cry. So this is Pratyaksha. You can directly perceive the benefit. If anybody is daily, just like if you're taking a medicine, it has to have an effect. Okay? So Pratyaksha. If you are chanting Hare Krishna, Shravanam, or you are reading Bhagavad Gita every day, you can see the effect is there. You are changing completely. Then Pratyaksha Avagamam, it is understood in that way. Dharmam, it is the topmost relation. Susukam Kartum Avaya, most important, what is that? It is very joyfully performed. क्या मुश्किल है इसमें? हरि नाम कीर्तन कर रहे हैं, then कोई मुश्किल है? It's very joyful. Then after that, we take prasadam, bhajan, bhojan. Any prasadam, any difficulty? That is also joyful. Just if you do these two activities only, every day chant for some time Hare Krishna, instead of singing latest film song, sing Hare Krishna sometime, and then you receive Krishna prasadam with respect, take some prasadam. Just by these two activities itself, you can see that you are totally becoming full of spiritual happiness. It is to be perceived. Just like somebody gives you food to eat, you can know your hunger is mitigated and you get energy. Agree? You don't have to ask somebody, मेरा भूख मिट गया क्या? अरे पूछ क्या रहे हो? खाना खाया तुमने, पेट भरा होगा तुम्हारा. Agree? The same way, when you chant Hare Krishna, you don't have to go to people. It is correct. No, you should be able to perceive personally. Yes, it is very purifying and a very happily, joyfully performed. In fact, in America, Prabhupada used to be asked by many people, how your disciples are so bright-faced. Prabhupada was traveling in an aircraft. So one priest came to Prabhupada. He said, can I sit with you? He said, I have one question. How your disciples are so bright-faced? Prabhupada said, yes. Because Pratyaksha. They're not, if suppose you're blindly believing something, how can you then be happy? You will be so much disturbed, correct? So if Krishna conscious, if you are following, you should be very, very happy. Provided you follow. If you follow Virakti Anyatya Sya, you will completely get detached from all this mundane attachments, mundane emotions. That is the proof of advancement in spiritual life. How do you understand somebody is advancing in spiritual life? Two things should be visible in it. Number one, attraction to Krishna. Number two, detachment from this world. Otherwise, advancement is not happening. Advancement means these two things should be visible. True, living in a society, it's not that we don't talk to people. You go to the office, so many people you talk to, you say, how are you? Yeah, fine, we say, but you know attachment. Our attachment, we are detached from this world now. We deal in this world as a matter of duty. As attachment is a symptom of going down, not going up. Correct? Krishna conscious movement doesn't mean we further our attachment. That's what Arjuna was doing. What will happen to Swajana? Swajana, Prabhupada said, that is the problem, we are stuck in this world. Swajana, my own men. North India बोलते हैं ना, मेरा आदमी है, जॉब दे देना. बोलते नहीं बोलते? वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दे देना, मेरा आदमी आया. वो मेरा आदमी में, you will not advance spiritually. We should become, Krishna should become Swajana. Then we will advance spiritually. Srila Prabhupada ki, Bhagavad Gita ki.
Hare